guys, it's copyrighted SML character here, and I'm gonna show you how to reheat a pasta you made a couple days ago. So first things first, you wanna open the fridge with your mouth. Then with your mouth again, you wanna then with your mouth again, you wanna take the pasta, cut away. Then you just wanna put it in the microwave. Next thing you wanna do is set the time on the microwave for like 2 years, and then we wait. Alright, next thing you want to do is open the microwave with your mouth and get the pasta. And now we feast. I got this. God damn it, it's still cold.